There are no default application to open AVIF files. So how to convert AVIF file to JPG and open it on Windows or Mac? Let me show you in this video. Firstly, you can launch HitPaw Video Converter. Find the toolbox and open the image converter. Next, import the AVIF files you'd like convert. Now you can preview them here and export them in batch. Choose the target file as JPG or other image format. Finally, convert all. And all these AVIF images are now JPG files. You can now easily open them on your device. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this. The link of the tool I use can also be found in the description. Thanks for watching.